Installing the Vivara shower cabin. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely level. Use the level to set the shower tray. Pull the shower tray out about 40 centimeters from the wall so that you can walk around it comfortably during installation. Install the shower tray's own drain. Install the cabin's corner profile. The two black walls are attached to the corner profile, at which point the cabin structure becomes self-supporting. Fit and secure the bottom arched rail. Slide in the upper arched rail. Then move the shower cabin to its place. The fasteners and rubber strips are placed on the bottom and top of the fixed glass walls. We then insert the fixed glass walls into the lower and upper rails. Install the watertight rubber strips and watertight slats. The glass shower doors are inserted into the lower and upper arched rails. Make sure that the fixed casters are at the top and the spring casters are at the bottom. Fit the magnetic rubber strips in place and snap on the waterproof plastic slats. Install the handles on the door.